evaluate the integral of logarithm of x to the base 2 dx. So we have logarithmic term which has a base of 2. So we transform this first into ln using change of base formula. So what is the change of base formula? If we have logarithm of x to the base b, we can rewrite this as logarithm of x to the new base a, constant base a, over the logarithm of b to the base a. Or you can also choose the base e so that you can have the ln. So therefore, it's also equal to ln x over ln b, which is our goal, right? So therefore, we can rewrite the given integral as using change of base formula. Logarithm of x to the base 2 is equal to the ln of x over the ln of the original base 2. So we have ln 2 over ln 2 dx. And then you can put the constant 1 over ln 2, this one, in front. So we'll have 1 over ln 2 integral of ln x dx. So therefore, we transform the integral into logarithmic expression into natural logarithms, particularly natural logarithms. So we can apply integration by parts to evaluate this integral. Using IBP for short, integration by parts, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. We can let u be equal to ln x, and we can let dv be equal to dx. So we differentiate the u, the derivative of u du. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x dx. And then we integrate the dv. Integral of dv is v. Integral of dx is x. So applying integration by parts formula, we'll have 1 over ln 2. Integral of ln x dx is equal to. So uv, by the way, we have 1 over ln 2. So we must multiply all the terms by 1 over ln 2. So 1 over ln 2 times the quantity uv. U is ln x and v is x, and then minus the integral of v, which is x, times the du, which is 1 over x dx. So therefore, we have 1 over ln 2 distribute, 1 over ln 2 x ln x, then 1 over ln 2 negative 1 over ln 2 integral of x times 1 over x. So we can cancel out the x. We just have 1 dx or dx. So therefore, we have x ln x over ln 2, and then minus 1 over ln 2. Integral of dx is x. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. Or this can be written as negative x over ln 2 plus c. Or if you want, you just factor out the ln 2. We have 1 over ln 2 times, or you can factor out also the x with the 1 over ln 2. You'll have x over ln 2 times ln x minus 1 plus c in factored form.